Hey viewers, another Kubota video coming at you from Ace Tuning Outdoors. If you like Kubota videos and you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. In this video I'm going to show you how I use the tractor and a log splitter that's located on the back of it to split some wood. Stay tuned. This log splitter was originally equipped with its own motor and pump, but now it's been altered to run off a PTO shaft with an external aftermarket pump and a welded up separate reservoir. That double-sided wedge makes for quick, easy splitting, and you're even able to run two operators on the splitter if you want to. The forest in the back portion of my property consists of mainly ash wood. It does have various other species of trees, but I mainly split ash. Excellent for burning. It's almost dry right away because it's dead already. It has been dead for several years. So this is what my Kubota looks like ready for winter. I'm going to show you guys how I connect that log splitter over there to the back of my tractor. First you want to start by removing anything that you have mounted already to the 3-point hitch. In this case, I have a ballast weight box. Now you want to back up your tractor and line up your 3-point hitch to your next implement. In this case, it's this log splitter. I grab all the pins needed. I mount the pump onto the PTO first. I line up the 3-point hitch hydraulically. I put the lower pins in first. Then raise the 3-point hitch using the lower pins first. And then connect the top adjustment arm. Alright, so let's get a close look at this splitter before I start using it. Give you guys at home an idea of how it works. So you got your hydraulic reservoir here. You got a pump that runs off the rear PTO. Then you get your double-edged wedge. Pretty much run the tractor at about 1800. I select my rear PTO and then I turn the PTO on. Good thing about this log splitter is that you can use it all year round. Winter, summer, spring, whatever the weather may be. In this clip, it's a gorgeous summer day. Well, viewers, that concludes another Ace Tuning Outdoors video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for watching.